Hi, my name is Greta, and this is my literacy narrative project. So, at the beginning of the semester, we talked a lot about Gamergate and what it was, and I had never heard of it coming into this class. And so, after reading these articles, I realized that Gamergate was a really big issue and that sexism towards women wasn't just in real life, it was also online, and it made me really upset. And outside of the class, I started hearing people talk more and more about Gamergate, and I realized it was a pretty big issue. And I I saw my friends play a lot of video games with women portrayed in very sexual ways as like objects and stuff, and it just really made me not like video games or the whole atmosphere and everything. So thanks to reviewing that stuff in class, it really opened my thinking and realized that sexism is like takes shape in every form, which I really didn't like. Another big thing about this English class was the 2016 president election was happening at the same time, and I'm glad that almost everyone in our class supported what I supported, and I wish we had more discussions. However, I know those tend to get heated and we didn't have enough time for that. But I really enjoyed the finding an ad and writing about it, and I um, and these ads helped like strengthen my views and cleared who I was going to vote for, even though I already knew. And I'm just like really baffled at the way the election turned out, and I wish we discussed it a little more thoroughly in my class or in our class. Finally, we spent a lot of time with our research essay, which was a big portion of our class, and it really opened my eyes to how much food we waste because that was my topic for my research. And my other classes that I've been taking, we've also discussed food waste, and so I was able to contribute to these conversations since I was doing research for the English class, which I thought was really cool. And I also was able to present my project in class, which helped make people aware of the food waste issue. And I also talked to my friends a lot about food waste and opened their thoughts and views about it, and hopefully they lessened their food waste. So finally, this class, what I think was my favorite English class I've ever had, and it really opened my views to a lot of different aspects that we discussed in class that I did mention or haven't mentioned. And I thought about things that I wouldn't have necessarily thought about before in ways that I didn't really think you could think about things that way. And this class just had a really good atmosphere, and I liked the size, and it felt like a safe space, and I thought that my contributions were helpful or were heard, and I really enjoyed having our mini groups and like being able to talk to them about questions I had and working together on assignments in class. So thanks for being such an awesome class.